Hello Savvy VIPs and welcome back to another episode of Be Kitchen Savvy with Claudia. Today I will show you how to clean and sterilize your sink after handling raw meat. To begin this prep, you're going to want Kaboom No Drip Foam with bleach or any cleaning disinfectant with bleach. Once you've removed the meat from the area that you are working in, you should then take your Kaboom or disinfectant spray with bleach and spray all four sides of your sink and the bottom. You will also want to clean the countertops surrounding that area to ensure cleaning of any unseen spots that may have gotten splattered with chicken juice. And proceed to clean it with a dish rag. Rinse with water and you're finished. You now have clean and sterilized surface areas or sinks again. I know that everyone has their own special or simple way to clean up after raw meat. I would love to know how you clean yours. Leave your comments below the video, and if this video answered any part of your questions or curiosity, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned next week to see how I make rotisserie style chicken in the oven. See you in the next video.